Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel where creativity meets comfort and every handmade piece tell a story. Today we are diving into one of the most loved holiday craft, DIY Christmas hanging wreath. These wreaths are not just decoration, they are symbol of joy, warmth and the magic of the season. So grab your ribbons, your pine cones and some holiday spirits and let's create something truly special for your home. It's Christmas. First we start with base of the wreath. You can use metal ring or a wooden hoop or even a plastic cardboard circle. If you want to budget friendly, wrap it with burlap or jute rope. It give it the rustic cozy textures. Takes your time. Crafting is not about rushing, it's about enjoy the process as you wrap the base. Imagine filling your home with calm energy, joy and handmade love. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel, and I'm also share a DIY project step by step, so please must visit the channel. So next let's bring the nature. Use pink branches or artificial leaves, attach them around your base in a circular mansion. The round shape of the wreath symbolize internally no beginning, no end, just like the circle of family love and hope. During Christmas time you can add texture by mixing different shades of green and few tiny white or red berries of contrast. Now comes the fun part, decorating your wreath. Collect some pine cone, cinnamon sticks, and small ornaments. They bring a festive fragrance and touch a rustic charm. If you love sparkle, add bit of gold or silver paint on the pine cones. Glue them carefully, keeping a natural, balanced look. Remember, imperfection make it more beautiful. Become handmade craft are full of heart, not perfection. It's time to add pop of color. Use red velvet ribbon, plaid fabric strip or lace bow. Make one large bow at the bottom on top of your wreath for a classic charm look. If you love a minimum style, you can keep it simple with natural tone. Each ribbon represents the wreath warmth we tie into our home, joy at home together, and love the holds everything beautiful in place. Add your personal charm, maybe a small name, a teeny wooden heart, or even a mini picture frame of your family or your pets. Hang on your walls, your doors, wherever you want. You can also create multiple small hanging grids to form a valley gallery. It adds a cozy and artistic vibe on your home. While crafting, take a deep breath and notice how peaceful it feels. It is not just a decoration, it's a mindfulness activity. It's help you show down, focus and connect with present moment. Each twist of the ribbon and each pine cones you place remind you to embrace creativity, calmness, graduate. These little mindful moments bring balance and peace, especially during the busy holiday season.